Hello everybody, my name is James Davies and welcome to the incredibly popular Photo Chat Vlog channel on YouTube. Now, as you can see, once again we're at the Photo Chat Vlog table and I'm going to open this box. Now this was sent to me by a guy called Alan Kirby, who is a great artist who works with cyanotypes. I'll tell you a bit more about Alan later on because right now I want to get this box open and see what's in it. And so even though I know roughly what's in it, and it's not vegan hot dogs, I thought I'd share what he sent to me with you. Just be careful with the knife here while I'm cutting open the box. Put that safely to one side. So what's the first thing? Some pretty rare Polaroid 665 film. Now I've got a camera that takes this film, although the film expired in 1995, so it might not work anymore. But it's pretty exciting to see that, don't you think? I do. Up next we've got this OM2n slide copying device, which is very cool, and might come in useful for doing some nice experimental stuff, though I don't quite know what that will be just yet. Now we have got a Chinon CE-4, which is really nice. Now I've never used a Chinon camera before. Chinon? I mean, I don't even know how you pronounce it properly. Now it obviously needs a lens, and it needs a battery and a battery compartment cover too, but I expect I can fix something up for that. So that is pretty groovy. And as I cavalierly throw away some of the packing, there's a Nikon FG-20 in the box as well. Now, I think that is a plastic-bodied SLR. It has at least got its battery compartment cover, but it does need a battery. It looks pretty groovy. It's got a maximum shutter speed of 1000, which is pretty exciting. Now, I don't know which lenses Chinon or Nikon take, or what type of lenses, so that will be an excuse to research and score some lenses for those. Next up out of the box, we have got a Pentax MX, which is quite exciting. And though it doesn't have a battery in it, it does at least have a battery compartment cover. I'm wondering, by looking at it, if the Nikon and the Pentax might be able to take the same lenses. I also think that the Pentax is a metal-bodied camera, maybe? I don't know. Now, from the looks of them, they look like they're all fairly basic cameras, but that doesn't mean they're not dead groovy. I'm really excited by them. Now, there's also a motor winder for the Chinon, which is pretty cool, so you can use that to groove around like some sort of newspaper reporter. Now, in the box we also have an Olympus, well, not a lens, but a teleconverter. And we have also got an Olympus auto macro lens. Now, why we have those Olympus lenses is because I'm excited about this box also having an Olympus OM2n in it. Now, I've already got an Olympus OM10, but I don't have an Olympus OM2n, so I'm really quite excited by this. Now, I've never used one before, though I can see some interesting stuff going on. The controls are very different to my OM10, but very cool. Now, we have also got another Pentax, a Pentax A3 Date S. This feels groovy. It looks like it's a bit more of a modern camera. It takes AA batteries, which is awesome. Let me make a bit more space on the desk, as I know there is at least one more camera in there. Now that Pentax is pretty groovy. Again, Pentax lenses. Let's just test this. Well, as you might expect, the Olympus lens doesn't want to go onto the Pentax. What a noob. But it does go nicely on the OM2, so I'll have to look out for some Pentax lenses for those babies. And so, last but not least, and there is nothing else in the box, last but not least is a good old Soviet tank of a camera. A Zenit TTL weighing a ton. It's got the classic Helios lens on it. It might need a film to help it wind itself forwards a bit, but we'll work out how we get inside the camera later on. Well, what a nice selection of things to be sent in the post. Thank you very much, Alan Kirby. Check him out at alankirby.com and also check him out on Twitter because he posts there quite a lot. He does a lot of cameraless photography using the cyanotype process, and maybe that cameraless thing is why he ended up sending me all of these. Now, I'm stoked by this generosity, and I'm going to have to read up about all of these babies on the internet. If you ever had one of these cameras, or if you know much about any of these cameras, or have any tips for just using them, please comment below. Now, we're still in lockdown in the UK due to the coronavirus, so obtaining lenses for all of these and getting out and about to try them hasn't been my priority. But as we all know, we will get through this one day. In the meantime, if you like what you see, and you're new around here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more of my other stuff, follow the link on this About Me page, where you'll find my Instagram, Flickr pages and so forth. I'll see you in the next episode of Photo Chat Vlog. Until then, please take care.